welcome to the mix. And on the mix, Dwayne. Now, there's this man, he's talking about Miss Dana and how, people that she was surrounded with, they're the same persons who come to bite her in the back. The same person who turns to stab her in the back, basically. So you need to go over and listen to what he has to say in his message. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel. And have a wonderful, super happy day today. Bless you.
Whether I've realized you've done certain things or not, I don't care. I'm showing you. I am not afraid to throw things out. I am not afraid. And one thing I will never be is one-sided. Not saying anyone on here is one-sided, but I don't want anyone to feel like I'm for people and tear down others. I cannot be a part of... Listen, one thing I can't do is tear down people. One thing I refuse to do is tear down anyone. All I do is put out things people are saying about each respective person on here with a platform. Do you understand? So guys, let me tell you guys this. Please don't think before I put it out, I want to make a public service announcement. With all due respect, guys, when I come here with people's business, I don't bring the business here because I want to tear down, make the live drop, make it drop, me not put out to my talk, me not putting it out until I finish what I'm saying. And I don't want to stop because I will forget. I'm very forgetful at times. I don't bring things here because I want to tear down anyone. I bring things here because I want my audience to know what is being said about everyone on here. Do you guys understand? So please don't think when I bring things here, I bring them here to tear down anyone. I don't. Listen, to be quite frank, I love to uplift people.
Yeah, some of these mongrels. Maybe you can help some of these mongrels. Because these mongrels need help.
The hell?
And everybody can do charity. I go stand in a charity,
Hold on. The damn thing messed up.
Charity and be a thief. And when we notice, some of them will say them involved in a charity, or them are this and them are thief. Thank you, Sheena. Sheena, may have you do an interview because when you come teach people how you do it. Size is L285. When you teach people how you do it, Sheena, how you did it. How did you do it? You understand? Maybe you can help some of these mongrels. Maybe you can help some of these mongrels, Sheena. Because these mongrels need help. And everybody can do charity. I go stand in a charity, And you have to big up. The only two-person big man thing, the only two-person we ever see will come out successful in a charity. And the only two-person we see come out successful in a charity and was real to charity is Danago and Sheena Carty. Yeah, Sheena. And enough of the people when Sheena help, them turn around and say Sheena this and Sheena that and whatever it is. The same thing they do to Danago, the same thing they do to Sheena. The same when they sit down on Facebook and when they drunk and then try to do, anytime they see something go and then try to friend the people them who get help in a charity and try to bring them on Facebook for try to bring on the people and they little termite them now. They little drunge them, termite them, where get the help, them no understand I use the people I use them. And the fact that the people might use them now, them turn around, cuss who's there for them. And you see them turn at them now that cannot do nothing for them. Eventually then drop them off a road like and can drop off a truck. You understand?
I am surprised.
And when you can run a charity program and you can bring somebody from Jamaica come to America to get medical help, you must be doing something good, or you must have done something good while you get that ticket
No,
That you
thank you
can
for
bring
playing it.
somebody from
Thank you for
Jamaica to
playing
get
it.
medical help, just like how Dana go, turn around and give people house. Help people with house. And the same people them where she help with house, the same enough of them turn around and bite her. The same when them turn around and join with the enemy them. And the same when them turn around and say, Dana this, when they don't go like that. After she help them. You feel me I say? That's what me see happen on Facebook. And the same set of termite them, the same set of junge them, because I call them junge, termite, combobulated termite them. When I fight Dana, right? And say Dana this and say Dana that, is the same people that would have fight Sheena Carty when she was doing charity. And when Sheena Carty just come out and do charity, Sheena Carty is the best person in the world. She's such a loving person. Oh, God bless you for what you're doing and all of this and rate it. And when they send one $10, and then call the phone and you don't pick up your phone because you're busy, then they start saying, oh, you not take a phone call, you get hype and you this and you that and ask the comfort and whatever it is, that all the things then that comes on top of it, right? And then they start to spread rumors, this one, this, that one, that, and then try to farm some farmer war against